Mr. Speaker, I would like to basically bring up a supplementary question which will be related to this matter, which I believe that the minister is somebody, because I have known her before, and she's somebody who works meticulously, whether she's going to be able to solve the problem. And the problem, Mr. Speaker, is that so many people who had bought properties at Embakasi ranching scheme in Nairobi have been unable to achieve the ownership titles for these properties. As a result, you're now having the same issue of encroachment. There were pieces of land, Mr. Speaker, which were left for social amenities like for stadia. Some of the land was for the schools and some for the hospitals. The problem is that all that land has already been grabbed, and I wanted to find out from the CS whether she has actually been able, either by accident or by design, started sorting out the Embakasi ranching problem, just like the one of Athi River. The Athi River one, Mr. Speaker, was actually sorted out, and it was a very, very good strategy that was used. Is it possible, if the minister is aware, that even the issue of the Embakasi ranching scheme could be sorted out the way they did in Athi River? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.